All right, y'all. I'm back with another video today. Said I got here today. Got me some fried wings, garlic fried wings. Yes, check it out. Yeah, air fried. Yeah, got some fried corn there. Got some green beans and broccoli mixed together. Okay, y'all. That's what I'm doing today. All right, y'all. So check out the meal for today. That's what I'm doing. Yes, look delicious, don't it? I know it do. Yeah, check it out, y'all. Air fried chicken wings, garlic style. All right, y'all. That's what I'm doing today. All right, y'all. You know what time it is. It's time to go. Don't forget to like this video. I appreciate y'all, all y'all watching my videos. So I thank y'all. Okay. All right, I got to go. I just had to show y'all this real quick. Done up for today. All right. Don't forget to like and that thumbs up on this. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all be good. I'm out. All right, y'all. Y'all see it was delicious. I had to tear it up. I wasn't playing around. I told you, y'all. It was delicious. So that's what left. So you know it was. All right, y'all. I got to go. All right. Peace.